Hi friends, today we are making soft and delicious Jamaican fried dumpling using milk and butter for that extra rich and tender bite. You're gonna start by sifting your flour, your baking powder, and your sugar and salt into your bowl. Next, slowly pour in your milk and mix until a soft, smooth dough forms. You don't want it too dry or too sticky, just the perfect balance. Once the dough is ready, roll it into small balls and let them rest for a few minutes. You should roll them into the size of a golf ball, or however big you would like it. Gently place the dumpling into the hot oil and let them fry until they're golden brown on all sides, crispy outside, soft and buttery on the inside. Turn down the temperature to medium and low 4 to 5 minutes per side. Once the dumplings start floating around or float to the top, they are fully cooked on the inside and ready to devour. And there you have it, perfect Jamaican fried dumplings made with love, milk, and butter. Serve them with your favorite breakfast or enjoy them all by themselves. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.